Mabode! A little hello I picked up from the locals. Keith Quest here, your Congo River Raft Expedition leader. Your raft is just being prepped. This is going to be a wet ride, so get yourselves ready for heaps of waves and splashes. These are wild rafts on a fast current winding down the Congo River, where the ride can get a little rough. For the safety of you and your fellow adventurers, please always remain seated whilst in the raft and hold on to those handrails. Keep rafting! It's me, Keith Quest here again, your Congo River Raft Expedition leader. I want to make sure you have a bonza rafting experience. So to minimise the queuing time, please be advised you may be asked to share your raft with other adventurers. There are no storage facilities on this raft ride, so please secure any loose articles and be prepared to take your bags with you down the river. Keep rafting! Please remain seated. 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 Rafters! Don't be fooled by the easy going. There's splashes ahead. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Team, we'll soon be entering the ancient mines of Katanga. This could get a little wild. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Bonza! We're deeper into the canyon. Let's hope the Congo's kind. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Keep riding those waves, you beauts. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Time to put your skills to the test. The Congo's giving us everything she's got. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Crikey! Sit tight, team. These tricky waters aren't done with us yet. Please remain seated. Raptors! You're ruling these waters. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Raptors! You've conquered the Congo. Keep rafting. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. rafting naturals. See you back at the dock. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Rafters, you bossed it. I'd raft again with you anytime. Laters, you beauts. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated.